Along the very bottom of Maya's user interface, we're going to see the Helpline. We talked about that earlier. This is where we will get little helpful tips as we mouse over different tools and features of Maya's user interface. But directly above the Helpline is the command line. Maya's command line is where we can type short pieces of script in order to execute certain functions. You'll notice that Maya has a couple of different scripting languages. Right now we are using Mel script, which is Maya's embedded language. If I click on the word Mel, you'll see we switch over to Python. You may be familiar with Python from other programming or scripting classes. Let's switch back to Mel for now. Further along the command line, we'll see this empty area. This is where we're going to receive notifications for errors or warnings for things we do inside of Maya. For example, right now I have a polygon sphere on my screen. But if I were to try to run a command that is intended only for NURBS curves, you'll see that I get an error letting me know that no valid items were selected because I don't have any NURBS curves selected. If I go further along the command line, all the way to the end, you'll see that we have an icon to open up the script editor. The script editor is where we can type longer scripts in either Mel or Python. You'll also notice that we have a window here that is showing us previously executed commands. For example, if I were to deselect my sphere by clicking in the empty space, it will run the select-cl command to clear my selection. If I were to click my sphere again, it would run the select-r psphere1 command in order to select my sphere. If you've never worked in scripting or programming before, don't be worried. This is not a required feature of Maya. This is just an extra tool that allows you to do some more complex tasks. So for example, if I wanted to select this sphere, I could hit Control-C, and then I could just type this into my Mel command, Control-V, and you'll see that it uses that piece of script to select my sphere. If I needed to select 30 different objects in a very specific order, then creating a quick script that allows me to execute that would save me some time.